Nederlandse Appel Koek. Dutch apple coffee cake. A dessert from Netherlands. Serves
need
12 ingredients. Step 1. Mix the sour cream and baking powder in a bowl, set aside. In a separate bowl, mix the flour and salt. Step 2. Cream the butter and berry sugar. Step 3. Add the eggs and vanilla extract, beating until light and fluffy. Step 4. Add the sour cream to the butter mixture. Mix well. Step 5. Add the flour and salt mixture and again, mix well. Step 6. Grease a 9-inch square glass pan and spread half of the batter in the pan. Step 7. Place 3/4 of the apples and cheese wedges in a concentric circle on top of the batter. Add remaining batter and top with the rest of the cheese and apples. Step 8. Mix the brown sugar and nuts and sprinkle on top of the cake. Step 9. Bake for 35 minutes at 375 degrees. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.